Techfest is the annual science and technology festival of the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Bombay, recognized as Asia's largest event of its kind. Established in 1998, it serves as a platform for students and technology enthusiasts to showcase innovative projects, engage in competitions, attend workshops, and interact with experts from various fields. The festival encompasses a diverse range of activities, including exhibitions, lectures, and live demonstrations, attracting participants and visitors from across the globe. The 28th edition of Techfest is scheduled to take place from December 17th to 19th, 2024, at the IIT Bombay campus in Mumbai, India. This year's theme, the Sustainnovative Sentience, where AI meets sustainability, focuses on the integration of artificial intelligence with sustainable innovation, highlighting how AI-driven solutions can contribute to a more sustainable future. Participants can look forward to a variety of competitions, workshops, and exhibitions that explore the intersection of technology and ecology, aiming to inspire and educate attendees about the potential of AI in promoting sustainability. For more details on the event schedule, registration, and specific activities, you can visit the official Techfest website. Techfest has a rich history of fostering innovation and providing a collaborative environment for the exchange of ideas, making it a significant event for students, professionals, and anyone interested in the advancements of science and technology. The festival's commitment to addressing contemporary issues through technological solutions continues to attract a wide audience, contributing to its reputation as a premier science and technology festival in Asia. For a glimpse of what to expect, you might find the official aftermovie of Techfest 2023-24. Insightful